In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Gmail. We all love our inboxes buzzing with important notifications, but sometimes the constant pinging can be a bit overwhelming. Today, I'm here to help you manage those notifications and perhaps bring a little more peace and quiet to your day. First things first, let's get started by opening up Gmail in your web browser. It doesn't really matter which browser you're using, as Gmail is pretty flexible, but ensure you're logged into the right account. Once Gmail loads up, you'll see its familiar interface where all those emails reside. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a little gear icon that represents settings. Give that gear a click. You might be familiar with this icon if you've ever customized anything on Gmail before. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, you want to go ahead and click on See All Settings. This option takes you directly to the full settings page where you have a plethora of customization options for your Gmail experience. Once you're in the full settings page, there's a lot to navigate, but don't worry, we know exactly what we're looking for today. Scroll down leisurely until you spot the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This section governs how your Gmail notifications are handled while you're on your desktop. Under Desktop Notifications, you'll see a few choices, but the one we're interested in here is Mail Notifications Off. What this does is simple yet powerful. It stops all new email notifications from interrupting your day on your desktop. Go ahead and select Mail Notifications Off to turn them off completely. If at any time you start missing those notifications, you can always come back here and turn them back on. No sweat. All that's left to do now is save your changes. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you'll find the Save Changes button. It's crucial you hit this, or all your changes will be lost, and the notifications will continue to pop up. And there you have it. You've turned off your Gmail notifications on your desktop, giving yourself a well-deserved breather from constant alerts. Remember, you can always turn them back on if you change your mind or want to stay on top of incoming emails. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to a quieter digital experience.